गारंटी ऑफ मिनिमम प्रॉफिट, ये पता है ना? हेलो गाइस, गारंटी ऑफ मिनिमम प्रॉफिट समझ में आया? आई विल रीड इट फॉर यू. What is guarantee of minimum profits? Sometimes one partner can enjoy the right to have minimum amount of profits in a year as per the terms of partnership agreement. In such a case, allocation of profits is done in normal way if the share of partner who has been guaranteed minimum profits is more than the amount of guaranteed profits. However, if share of partner is less than the guaranteed amount, he takes minimum profit and the excess of guaranteed share of profit over the actual share is borne by the remaining partners as per the agreement. So I give that example as per the agreement. Sometimes they might share in the profit sharing ratio. Sometimes they might share what? Equally. Is that clear? Or in some other ratio, whatever is decided. Now there are three possibilities. देखो, first possibility क्या है? There are three possibilities as far as share of deficiency of other partner is concerned. These are as follows. I want pin drop silence here. Hello. Excess is payable by one of the remaining partner. Means एक ही partner bear करेगा. Might be the agreement is like that. Might be A, B and C have decided that C should be given a minimum guaranteed profit of 10,000. If there is any shortfall, A will say only I will bear, let B not bear. हो सकता है. Second case, excess is payable by at least two or all partners in what ratio? Agreed ratio. Then last one is very, very important. Excess is payable by remaining partners in mutual profit sharing ratio. So, if the question is silent about the nature of guarantee, the burden of guarantee is borne by the remaining partners in mutual profit sharing ratio. If nothing is mentioned in the sum, assume that the losses should be bared in which ratio? Profit sharing, not equally, profit sharing ratio. Is that clear? So ये guarantee profit हो गया. Now come down. आ जाओ. ये हो गया. Fixed capital and fluctuating capital, interest on capital. आ जाओ. Yes. Example. Shall we look at this example? Okay. Have a look at this example, guys. I'll read it for you. Shilpa and Sanju are partners with a capital of 1 lakh and 1,60,000 on 1st January 2022 respectively. Shilpa introduced additional capital of 30,000 on 1st July and another 20,000 on October 31st. Calculate the interest on capital for the year ending 2022. That is calendar year. The rate of interest is 9%. Same sum we have done or no? Huh? Now answer this. I'll do the calculation here. First tell me, शिल्पा का opening capital कितना है? 1 lakh. This 1 lakh is there for how many months? No, I'm asking you a question. This 1 lakh is there for how many months? अरे answer यार. 1st January to 31st December. How many months? So 1 lakh into 9% into 12 by 12. Answer कितना आया? 9,000. करके देखो. Yes. Now, tell me the next one. Shilpa introduced additional capital of 30,000 on 1st July. So, 1st July means July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 6 months. So, apply it 30,000 into 9% into 6 divided by 12. कितना है? 1350. Clear? Next, I think again she has introduced another 20,000 in October. Yes or no? So October कितना है बोलो? October, November, December. 3 months? Oh, October 31st. Sorry. October 31st means October छोड़ दो. November and December. All of you got it? देखो, October 31st है. So 31st October खत्म होने के बाद November, December. 2 months. हाँ. So 20,000 into 9% into 2 divided by 12. कितना है? 300. ये सब ऐड करो. इसमें ड्राइंग्स नहीं है, विड्रॉल ऑफ कैपिटल नहीं है, तो सब कुछ ऐड करने का. कितना है? 10,650. Now I taught you all effective capital also. There is product method also. Product method छोड़ दो. Effective capital method लेंगे. So tell me the effective capital method. Okay, I'll erase this. Tell me effective capital method. Okay, चलो. सेम आएगा आंसर. बोलो इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. फर्स्ट आई कैलकुलेट इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. इफेक्टिव कैपिटल चलो 1 लाख इंटू, टेल मी इधर क्या आएगा, 1 लाख इंटू 12 डिवाइड बाई 12 कितना है, 1 लाख इज इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. देन इधर 30,000 इंटू 6/12 कितना आएगा, 15,000 इज इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. देन इधर लास्ट वन 20,000 इंटू 2/12 कितना आया, 3,333. ऐड करो, 1,18,333.33 इज अ इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. ना इसके ऊपर डायरेक्टली इंटू 9% डायरेक्टली 650, 649.99 तो आया ना. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज इफेक्टिव कैपिटल मेथड. देयर इज वन मोर मेथड नोन एज प्रोडक्ट मेथड. प्रोडक्ट मेथड में ये देखो 1 लाख इज देयर फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, 12 मंथ्स. तो ये आया. 30,000 इज देयर फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, 6 मंथ्स, 1,80,000. 20,000 इज देयर फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, 2 मंथ्स, 40. सो कितना आया, 14 लाख. हाँ तो 14,20,000 इंटू 9% इंटू 1/12. इधर डिवाइड बाय 12 करो क्योंकि डिवाइड बाय 12 नहीं किया है अपना. इफेक्टिव कैपिटल में डायरेक्टली एडिट डिवाइड बाय 12 इधर नहीं किया था तो इधर सेम आंसर आएगा 10,650. सो 3 ways you can find out the capital. Is that interest on capital? Is that clear? All of you understood? आ जाओ नेक्स्ट. अभी संजू का बोलो, संजू का बोलो. संजू ने क्या किया है, 1 लाख आणि काय नाहीच आहे त्याचं. ही इज नॉट विड्रॉन ऑल्सो, नथिंग ही हैज डन ना. सो बोलो संजू का कितना आएगा डायरेक्टली, 1 डायरेक्ट मेथड 6 इंटू 9%, दैट्स इट. 14,000 इंटू 12/12 डायरेक्टली. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स प्रोडक्ट मेथड, मेथड 1. ओके, मिनिमम गारंटी कैपिटल रेशियो. ओके ओके आ जाओ इधर, या कम डाउन. Shall we proceed? आ जाओ. Now this is an example also which is very very important. Look at this example. I'll read it for you slowly. Hear it carefully and understand the things. A and B formed a partnership with a capital contribution of 50,000 and 30,000 respectively on 1st January. The profits were to be shared in capital ratio. Which ratio? So first of all you have to find out the capital ratio. सर हो गया ना, कैपिटल शेयर 5:3. नहीं ये ओपनिंग कैपिटल है. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. कैलकुलेट द कैपिटल रेशियो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स. नाउ कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस मींस एडिशनल कैपिटल एंड कैपिटल विड्रॉन मींस ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट्स और ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट कैपिटल. ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट कैपिटल है. अंडरस्टूड? सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. अभी ए का देखो, ए कब इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, 31st मार्च एंड 1st September. एनीवे डिसम्बर इज द ईयर एंड हियर. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड व्हेन हैज ही विड्रॉन ए, वी लुक एट दीज ना फर्स्ट. हेलो गाइस, ये और ये लेंगे, सिर्फ ए का, बी का बाद में लेंगे हम. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ देयर आर मेनी वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट. एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफेक्टिव कैपिटल यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वे यू वांट. ओके, करेंगे क्या इसको? ये क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट द इफेक्टिव कैपिटल ऑफ मिस्टर ए. चलो ये छोड़ दो, उसने क्या किया वो छोड़ दो. ओके इधर आ जाओ. हाँ या नाउ टेल मी. ओके हाँ, यू टेल मी ए का इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. इफेक्टिव capital they have done in a different way but we'll do our way. Okay, 50,000 is there for how many months? Opening capital bolo. Opening capital is there for how many months? 50,000 into 12/12 कितना हो गया इफेक्टिव कैपिटल? 50,000. बरोबर है? यस. हाँ नेक्स्ट एडिशनल कैपिटल 31st मार्च को है ना. पहला एडिशनल कैपिटल लेंगे, एडिशनल कैपिटल बोलो, एडिशनल कैपिटल दो दो का है, एक और दो, बाद में ड्राइंग्स का लेंगे, इज दैट क्लियर? एडिशनल कैपिटल कितना है? 5000 एंड 5500, बट दिस 5000 इज ऑन 31st March, सो हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 5000 into 9/12. Why 9/12 you understood? How 9/12? 31st March means March छोड़ दो, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 9. So 9/12 कितना है देखो? 5000 into 9 divided by 12 कितना है? 3750. अभी 5500 ले लो, 5500 into 1st September ना, ये लेने का है, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, इंटू 4/12 कितना आया? 1833. अभी लेस ड्राइंग्स, अभी ड्राइंग्स को लेस करना है, अभी दो ड्राइंग्स है ना, 1 and 2, कितना है बोलो ड्राइंग्स? 3000 और 4500. बोलो 3000 कब? 1 जुलाई ना, 3000 इंटू, प्लीज टेल मी, 3000 इंटू 1 जुलाई, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, 6 मंथ्स, 6/12 कितना आया? 1500 माइनस होगा, करेक्ट है? नेक्स्ट है नवंबर, दिसंबर, 2 मंथ्स, 4500 इंटू 2/12 कितना आया? 750 माइनस. नाउ टेल मी द इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. 50,000 प्लस 3750 प्लस 1833 minus 1500 minus 750. इफेक्टिव इतना है आपका, इसको अभी 0.33 है रे, 0.33 है, दैट्स ओके, 0.33. ना इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 करो, 53,333.33 इंटू 12 करो, आपको 6,39,999 मीन्स 6,40,000. सो 6,40,000 इन लोगों ने किया, देखो 6,40,000 प्रोडक्ट मेथड किया है. दे हैव डन व्हाट मेथड? प्रोडक्ट मेथड. हाउ दे हैव डन इट आई लेट यू नो. सेम अपना आंसर उनका आंसर सेम है रे, उतना ही क्या, दे हैव नॉट डिवाइड बाय 12, दे हैव जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइड विथ नंबर ऑफ व्हाट? मंथ्स. हेलो, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? I have directly divided by what? 12. They have not divided by what? 12. Each and every sum they have not divided by 12. They have just multiplied. Product method किया उन लोगों ने, मगर इधर product method they have done in a different way. Now concentrate here. Hello, इधर आओ. Now the way they have done, see different ways can be done. You don't have to worry which method. Okay. Now इधर देखो. Case method 1, effective capital. They have done and the way I am doing it थोड़ा अलग है. First tell me opening capital. ओपनिंग कैपिटल कितना था? किसका? ए का. ए का बोलो. You tell me, we have already done, but we'll do it in a 2 different ways. 50,000 into 12 कितना? 6 lakhs. करेक्ट है? सेकंड एडिशनल कैपिटल. अभी एडिशनल कैपिटल 2 है ना, एक और 2 कितने हैं देखो, इधर दिया है ना, 5,000 and 5,500. ये तो 5,000 and 5,500. वन इज फॉर 9 months, अनदर इज फॉर व्हाट? 4 months. सो बोलो 5,000 कितना है? 5,000 is for how many months? 9 months. 5,500 is for 4 months. ये करो 45,000 और ये सॉरी 45,000 और ये 22,000. ये प्लस होगा. अभी लेस ड्राइंग्स भी किया है ना, 1 and 2 ड्राइंग्स किया है ना, 1 and 2. बोलो ड्राइंग्स कितना है? ड्राइंग्स 3,000 and 4,500. वन इज फॉर 6 months, अनदर इज फॉर व्हाट? 2 months. बोलो 3,000 for how many months? 6 months. And then 602 ना. अरे आणि एक अमाउंट सांगा की 4,000 4,500 for how many months? 2 months. करो इसको. 18,000 माइनस होगा, 9,000 भी माइनस होगा. कितना आता देखो? 6 lakhs plus 45,000 plus 22,000 minus 18,000 minus 9,000. कितना आया? आ गया ना. Now if you divide this by 12, we'll get exactly our average capital. 53,333. ये हमने किया है, ये अपना मेथड. कळलं की नहीं? ये समझ में आया? और एक मेथड है. सर कितना मेथड चाहिए? और एक मेथड. What they have done in the textbook? Oh, they have gone date wise. They have gone. Okay. Now concentrate. We'll see Mr. A. We'll see Mr. A. Hello, please answer. What is this 50,000? Please answer. What is this 50,000? Huh? And why they have taken 3 months? Is a question. I'll tell you. 50,000 January में 50,000. All of you please concentrate. Hey, concentrate. 50,000 has remained 50,000 as capital for how many months? क्यों? क्योंकि 31st मार्च को 5,000 एक्स्ट्रा हो गया है कैपिटल. Is that clear? So January 1st capital was 50,000. So entire January 50,000, entire February 50,000, entire March 50,000. How many months? That is why they have taken 3 months. But 31st मार्च को इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया ना कैपिटल. अभी कैपिटल कितना हो गया? 50 का कितना हो गया? इंट्रोड्यूस किया तो 5,000. 50. सो ये 55,000 कैसा आया? समझ में आया? दिस इज 50,000. टेल मी. 50,000 प्लस बोलो ये कैसा आ गया? ये आ गया 50,000 प्लस 5,000. नाउ मार्च से लेके आई थिंक जुलाई तक. जुलाई को विड्रॉल है ना? जुलाई को विड्रॉल है ना? सो मार्च छोड़ दो. अप्रैल, मई, जून. 1 जुलाई को चेंज हो रहा है. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 months योर कैपिटल हैज रिमेन्ड हाउ मच? 55,000. बरोबर है? 55,000 फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 months. उसके बाद आपका कैपिटल कम हुआ है ना? 3,000 क्या हुआ है? विड्रॉ. आंसर 3,000. सो 55 माइनस 3,000 ये कितना आता है? 52 कैसा आ गया? 55 माइनस 3, 52 आ गया. Now 52 has remained up till September 1st क्योंकि September 1st को वापस इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. सो जुलाई से ले लो. जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर नहीं, सितंबर को चेंज हुआ वापस. सो हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 2 months. सो दिस 52,000 has remained as 52,000 for how many months? 2 months. ये समझ में आया? देन क्या होता है? 57,500 कैसा है बोलो? एड 5,000 विच वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस ऑन 1st September. सो सितंबर, अक्टूबर, बिकॉज नवंबर वापस ड्रॉइंग्स है. सो अनदर 2 months has remained as how much? 57,500. Then 57,500 minus 4,500 will give you how much? 53,000. And 53,000 has remained from 1st November. November and December. 2 months. So chronologically they have gone. इधर मैंने धड़ किया है. ओपनिंग एडिशनल कैपिटल. ये इजी है एक्चुअली. ये इन लोगों ने ऐसा किया है. चलेगा कौन सा भी मेथड, सेम ही आंसर आने वाला है. आंसर सेम आएगा. देखो मल्टीप्लाई करो अभी अमाउंट. इज दैट क्लियर? इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये आएगा इज इक्वल टू ये सब मल्टीप्लाई करने का. इज दैट क्लियर? आ गया सेम आंसर. So they are saying this is the effective capital. 6,40,000 is the effective capital. And इधर B का देखो वैसा ही B का दिया है. Effective capital is how much? 4 lakhs. So the ratio is 6,40,000 is to how much? 4 lakhs. Ratio is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10 जा 4 16 जा. So 16:10. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. 8:5 is the profit sharing ratio. बघा, on the basis of product of both the partners, the capital ratio between A and B is 64:40 or 8:5, because they are saying find out the capital ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is same as capital ratio करके दिया है क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है देखो, क्या दिया है, calculate the capital ratio. The profits were to be shared in capital ratio, so you have to find out the capital ratio. So capital ratio find out करने के लिए ऐसा जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है. समझ में आया जुगाड़? All the methods I have explained you, whichever method you feel, this is also okay. Easy है, आ जाओ. Illustration 5. I'll read it for you. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of their effective capital. They had effective capital. They had 1,60,000 respectively in their capital accounts on 1st January. A introduced a further capital of 10,000 on 1st April. अभी blue color I'll take it for A. A का कितना है 1 lakh. Introduced how much? 10,000 on 1st April. Then another 5,000 1st July. Another 5,000 on 1st July. On 30th September A withdrew how much? 40,000. ये A का हो गया. B अभी देखो, on 1st July 2022 B introduced further capital of how much? 30. ये B का है. So B का I'll take it in red ink और pink लेंगे. 60,000 B का है. 1st July 30,000 introduce किया है. The partners drew the following amount in anticipation of profits. I repeat, ये पंच वर्ड है. The partners drew the following amount in anticipation of what? Profits. इसका मतलब क्या है? I have highlighted in fluorescent ink. उसका मतलब क्या है? The profits, the partners drew the following amounts in anticipation of profits. So this is drawings of profits, drawings against profits or drawings against capital? Answer. Drawings against? अरे in anticipation of profits म्हणून दिलेत. आणि कसं capital? Useless fellows. You tell me once again, repeat it. The partners drew the following amount in anticipation of profits. इसका मतलब क्या है? Drawings against? Thank you very much. This is drawings against profits, not drawings against what? Capital. Drawings against capital इधर है देखो. ये September 30th A withdrew how much? 40,000. ये drawings against capital है. ये इधर clear cut दिया है. Partners drew the following amount in anticipation of what? Profits. Now tell me, these drawings, will it be included in calculation of interest on capital? Answer is no. But will it be included in calculation of interest on drawings? Yes, interest on drawings में आएगा. Interest on capital समझ में आ रहा है सम? All of you are able to understand? आ जाओ इधर. Then A drew how much? 1,000 per month at the end of each month. End of each month. End. Each month. Shortcut method आएगा. कितना आएगा? 1,000 into 12. 12,000. 12,000 into rate. Whatever is the rate. 10%. Yeah, 12% capital का है. 10% interest on drawings का है. Into 10% into 5.5, 6.5 और 6 है. 6.5 मत यार अंदर 6.5 है. 6.5 beginning of each month. Beginning आहे का end आहे? मग end असला तर किती का? मग 5.5. Understood. Then B drew 1,000 on 30th June and 5,000 on 30th September. इसको shortcut method नहीं आएगा. Either product method or direct method you can do. 12% per annum on capital is allowable and 10% per annum on drawings is chargeable. Date of closing is 31st December. Calendar year है. Calculate profit sharing ratio, interest on capital and interest on drawings. Look at the way they have given. A and B share profits and losses in the ratio of their effective capital. So first of all, you have to find out what capital? Effective capital. इफेक्टिव कैपिटल करेंगे. टिक डाउन. राइट. ओ राइट राइट राइट. Calculation of effective capital. Calculation of effective capital. Okay. Now you want this method, the institute method will take, or our method? This is very simple. Our method is simple. You can follow institute method also. Is that clear? Okay. Shall we proceed? अभी ये देखो. Calculation of effective capital. Mr. A, Mr. B. हाँ. Yeah. Mr. A, opening capital. Tell me the opening capital. Kab? 1 lakh. Blue color. Blue color. From this blue color, not pink color. 1 lakh when he had introduced 1st January. So opening capital 1st January 2022. 1 लाख है ना. 1 लाख डायरेक्टली इंटू 12 करो. कितना है? 12 lakhs. डिवाइड बाय 12 मत करो, डायरेक्टली 12. EC मीन्स इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. 2 एडिशनल कैपिटल देखो. एडिशनल कैपिटल 10,000 कब किया है? अरे आई वांट द आंसर. 10,000 कब किया है? सो हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 9. April to December it is how many months? 1st April है, not 30th April. 30th April रहा तो 8 महीना आएगा. Is that clear? So 10,000 into 9. Additional capital. Additional capital on 1/4/2022. 10,000 है नो. 10,000 into 9 कितना है? 90,000. ओके. थर्ड आई थिंक और एक एडिशनल कैपिटल है, ब्लू कलर. देखो कितना है एडिशनल कैपिटल? 5,000 ऑन 1st जुलाई. एडिशनल कैपिटल है. अनदर 5,000 ये फर्दर इंट्रोड्यूस करके दिया है. यस. हाँ 5,000 1st जुलाई फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? आंसर एडिशनल कैपिटल 1st जुलाई 2022. चला 5,000 है ना, इंटू 6 कितना आया? 30,000. 4th one, drawings. Drawings against capital, obviously. Capital का है. कितना drawings? Blue color है देखो 40,000. इधर दिया है. On 30th September 2022, A withdrew 40,000. These are not drawings against profits. This is drawings against capital. Drawings against profit is already given down. ये नहीं लेने का, मगर ये 40,000 लेने का. कब विड्रॉ किया है? 30th September. सितंबर छोड़ दो. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 months. करो, डेट लिखो. 30th September 2022. सो 3 months. अमाउंट कितना है? 40,000 इंटू 3. 1,20,000. 1,20,000 विद इन ब्रैकेट्स. वाई विद इन ब्रैकेट्स? माइनस. हाँ चलो, कितना होगा? 12 lakhs माइनस 90,000 माइनस 30,000 प्लस 1,20,000. 12 lakhs आया. आंसर इज 12 lakhs ओनली. कळलं? ए तिळतुळलो, इकडे या, इकडे या. 12 लाख आले की नाही त्यांचं पण? खरं त्यांनी वेगळं केलेत. व्हॉट दे हॅव डन? 1 lakh is invested for how many months? 3 months. So 3 lakhs आया. Then he introduced 10,000. So this 1 lakh has become 1,10,000, and that 1,10,000 has remained for the next how many months? 3 months. So 1,10,000 into 3 is how much? 3,30,000. Then it has again he has introduced 5,000 in the month of September. correct. So another 3 months, 1,15,000 into 3 becomes 3,45,000. Then 1,15,000 का सीधा हो गया 75,000. 75,000 कैसा हो गया? 40,000 withdrawn. So 1,15,000 minus 45,000 which will give you 75 ना. 1,15,000 minus 40,000 कितना आया? 75. 75 has remained 75 for how many months? Another 3 months. So this is 2,25,000. सब कुछ add करो, 12 lakhs आया. This is their method. Our method is much more simpler. Yes. Now B का करो. B का pink. B का simple है सर. दो ही तो है. एक 60,000 है. बोलो बोलो. 60,000 and he has introduced 30,000 in July. There's no withdrawal of capital. सिर्फ additional capital है and opening capital. Tell me 60 and 30. And 30 is for 6 months. No, 1st July. Oh, 1st July है कि नहीं? चला बी सांगा. बीच सांगा. हाँ, ओपनिंग कैपिटल सांगा. 1/1/2022. 60,000 into 12 कितना आया? 7,20,000. Then second one additional capital. बस 1st July 2022 कितने थे? 30,000. So 30,000 into 6, 1,80,000. 1,80,000 plus 7, 9 lakhs. Ratio संगा था 12 lakhs is to 9 lakhs. 4 is to 3 is the profit sharing ratio. This is effective capital. EC means effective capital. Effective capital is 12 lakhs and 9 lakhs. Ratio is 4 is to 3 because capital ratio is the profit sharing ratio. Clear? Got the answer? अभी तक आंसर खत्म नहीं हुआ. They are also asking calculate interest on drawings. हाँ, स्टेप नंबर 2. चलो 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 बोलो 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 फास्ट. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इफेक्टिव कैपिटल हो गया, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हो गया. इफेक्टिव कैपिटल 12 lakhs 9 lakhs, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 4:3. लास्ट वन, टेल मी कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भी है. क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हो गया, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. ना इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना है? 12%. 12% है ना. Now mind you भाई साहब, I have not taken 12 into 12 divided by 12 into 9 divided by 12 into 6 divided by 12 नहीं किया है. So this is before dividing by 12. So you tell me interest on capital बताओ अभी. Interest on capital हाँ, A का कितना है? 12 lakhs is the effective capital. Rate of interest बोलो 12% into 1/12. इधर डिवाइड बाय 12 करना जरूरी है because we have not divided by 12 while calculating the effective capital. करो कितना होगा? 12 lakhs. हाँ, 12 lakhs into 12% divided by 12 कितना आया? 12,000 is interest on capital. B का बोलो. B का effective capital 9 lakhs है. 9 lakhs into 12% into 1/12 कितना आया? 9,000. This is interest on capital. All of you got it? What is the formula? Effective capital into 12% into 1/12. समझ में आया? Yes? Third one, calculate interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. Now, A के लिए shortcut method आएगा? आएगा. A का बोलो. Total drawings. Total drawings end of each month है ना, into rate into 5.5 divided by 12. What is the total drawings? 1,000 into 12. All of you agree? Rate कितना है? 10%. Interest on drawings 10,000. 1,000 withdrew at the end of each month. Beginning from January करके दिया है. End of each month beginning from January means January end से. Don't say beginning of each month. End of each month. Beginning from the month of Jan. Jan का end उधर से शुरू हो रहा है. Clear? हाँ बोलो, कितना है आंसर? रेट कितना है? 10% इंटू 5.5 डिवाइड बाई 12 कितना है? 12,000 इंटू 10% इंटू 5.5 डिवाइड बाई 12, 550। ए का। बी का शॉर्टकट मेथड नहीं आएगा। बी का शॉर्टकट मेथड क्यों नहीं आएगा? क्योंकि अनइवन ड्राइंग्स है। सो डायरेक्ट मेथड करेंगे, डायरेक्ट मेथड करेंगे ना, 2 ही ड्राइंग्स है उसके। बताओ कितना है, कितना कितना विड्रॉ किया है? रीड मैन। बी विड्रू 1,000 ऑन 30th जून एंड 5,000 ऑन, सो जून और सितंबर। सो जून का 6 मंथ्स ड्राइंग्स आएगा, सितंबर का 3 महीने का, बिकॉज सितंबर छोड़ दो, अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर। जून भी छोड़ दो, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर, 6 मंथ्स। सो ऑन 1,000 फॉर 6 मंथ्स, ऑन 5,000 फॉर 3 मंथ्स। हाँ बी डायरेक्ट मेथड कर लेता हूँ। 1,000 इंटू 6/12 इंटू 10% कितना आता है? 50। और एक है 5,000 इंटू 3/12 इंटू 10%, 5,000 है ना उसका। 5,000 इंटू 3 डिवाइड बाई 12 इंटू 10%, 125। सो टोटल कितना आया? 175 इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग। डायरेक्ट मेथड आई डिड। प्रोडक्ट मेथड भी कर सकते हो। 1,000 इंटू 6 will give you 6,000, 5,000 into 3 will give you 15,000. So 6,000 plus 15,000, total is 21,000 product into 10% divided by 12 directly will give you 175. Product method भी कर सकते हो. Look at the way they have done. Direct they have calculated. देखो, interest on capital, interest on drawings. इफेक्टिव कैपिटल लेके इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्या है? ड्राइंग्स लेके क्या है? एनी डिफिकल्टी? अरे एनीबडी हैज एनी डिफिकल्टीज गेटिंग इट? ऑल ऑफ यू? वेरी गुड, एक्सलेंट. खत्म होने को आया. प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस. Okay, but we'll have to solve everything. Okay guys, question number 6. Hello, please concentrate, please concentrate. Question number 6, I will explain you question number 6, 7 and 8, and 6, 7 and 8 you have to solve here and then leave. You cannot leave till I say leave. Is that clear? Question number 6, 7 and 8 आज अभी करेंगे, then I'll give you time to what? Solve. टाइम उसमें चला जाएगा. कल आके हम इसी यूनिट का ट्रू और फॉल्स, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? यस. एंड देन विल स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट यूनिट, गुडविल. व्हाट? गुडविल, वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. चलो आ जाओ. नाउ गाइस, just close your books. Your calculator should be in your hand. Okay, I'll give you time to write. Silence please. I want pin drop silence and 100%. ओए बिड्रो, मोबाइल बिड्रो ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಗೋತಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀಡ್ರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ನಾ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. Ram and Rahim started business with capital of 50,000 and 30,000 on 1st January 2022. Rahim is entitled to a salary of 400 per month. Interest is allowed on capital and is charged on drawings at 6% per annum. I repeat, interest is allowed on capital and is charged on drawings at 6% per annum. So interest on capital is also 6%. Interest on drawings is also 6%. Profits are to be distributed equally after the above noted adjustments. So all these adjustments करने के बाद, that is salary and interest on capital, remaining profits should be distributed equally. During the year, Ram withdrew 8,000 and Rahim withdrew 10,000. The profits for the year before allowing for the terms of the partnership deed is 30,000. So net profit is 30,000. Assuming the capital to be fixed capital method, prepare P&L appropriation account, capital account and current account. Capitals are fixed. If capitals are fixed to two capitals, one is core capital, another is current. Now you tell me, interest on capital, interest on drawings, and drawings against profits, they will come in capital account or current account? Current account. So current account में क्या क्या आएगा? Interest on capital, salary, interest on drawings, and drawings if the drawings is against profits. If the drawings is against capital, then it will come in capital account. But here drawings they have given against the profits, not against what? Capital. Now they are saying prepare all these. Now first thing what you have to do, hello, I want pin drop silence, 100% concentration, don't look here and there. First you have to take the opening balance. What balance? Now tell me, Ram and Rahim started business with capital. Now started business means this is not opening balance, they have introduced capital. So journal entry आना चाहिए, cash account debit to capital account. Capital account or current account? Capital, because this is a core capital. So look at the capital. I'll put one by one tick mark. By capital देखो, राम का capital में credit side by bank आया कि नहीं 50,000, and रहीम के capital credit side क्या आया? by bank कितना आया? 30,000. 1st January हो गया. यही core capital है. This is step number 1. So what you have to take first? Core capital. Entry मारना है, bank account debit to Ram's capital, bank account debit to Rahim's capital. हो गया? Then आ जाओ. Then come to P&L appropriation, because ये अभी profits कितना है? Partnership देखो, the profits of the year before allowing the terms of the partnership deed, how much? 30,000. So before allowing all these interest on capital, interest on drawings and salary, 30,000. So 30,000 is net profit. Net profit ले लो. अभी net profit में से एक एक निकालते जाओ. क्या दिया है? First one, salary. देखो, Rahim is entitled to salary of 400 per month. 400 into 12 कितना है? 400 into 12 कितना है? एंट्री क्या आएगा? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू रहीम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट और करंट अकाउंट. हाँ, सो ये 4,800 करंट अकाउंट में जाएगा. सो हैव दे ओपन रहीम करंट अकाउंट? यस, राम करंट अकाउंट, रहीम. देखो क्या गया इधर? 4,800 they have written by profit and loss appropriation account in bracket what? Salary. You can write here by salary. If you write here by salary, here it will be to salary. But here they have taken directly current account. So there they have taken appropriation account. But it is salary. Is that clear? Yes. After this, interest on capital. चलो, capital कितना है? 50,000 and 30,000. उसके ऊपर 6%. For one full year, because there is no withdrawal of capital. Effective capital का जरूरत नहीं है, एक ही capital है. There is no additional capital, there is no withdrawal of capital. So tell me, 50,000 into 6% कितना आया? Into 12 divided by 12 same आता है. Into 3,000. 3,000 no? और 30,000 into 6% 1,800. है कि नहीं? Yes. So entry क्या होगा? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to, they have given sundries. Don't say sundries. Current account ही जाएगा वो. क्या आएगा? Sundry is not Henry. Interest on capital ही जाएगा. देखो इधर, interest on capital. राम current account, रहीम current account. आ गया? Yes. So इधर current account में आता है क्या? देखो, राम current account में कितना गया? 3,000. और रहीम current account में 1,000. इंटरेस्ट है. देखो इंटरेस्ट, ये इंटरेस्ट, ये नहीं है, ये प्रॉफिट्स है, ये इंटरेस्ट है. देखो ये इंटरेस्ट, ये सैलरी हो गया, ये इंटरेस्ट हो गया. दो टिक हो गया. What you can do is you can open two columns side by side. Current account also, capital account also you can open side by side. A, B, two columns. Current account A, B, two columns. Means here Ram, Rahim. अरे अंडरस्टूड. आ जाओ P&L appropriation में आ जाओ. अभी P&L appropriation में बचा कितना देखो, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स भी चार्ज करना है ना. ओके, ड्राइंग्स कितना किया देखो. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. क्या बोला मैंने? हाँ, टेल मी. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. हाँ, टेल मी. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. Useless fellow. You what do I am telling you? During the year, interest should be calculated for how many months? During the year. So 8,000 and 10,000. Calculate करो. 8,000 into 6% into 6 by 12. 8,000 into 6% into 6 divided by 12. How much? So 240 आया क्या? देखो इधर आया ना, आया ना इधर. क्या आएगा? इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स. इट इज डेबिटेड टू करंट अकाउंट. पी एंड एल अप्रोप्रिएशन क्रेडिट साइड आएगा, करंट अकाउंट में कितना आएगा? डेबिट साइड. यस, आया क्या? देखो इधर, डेबिट साइड आया ना सर. ड्राइंग्स भी आएगा, आएगा. ड्राइंग्स विल बी करंट अकाउंट में आएगा. ओनली ड्राइंग्स विल कम इन करंट अकाउंट. इट विल नॉट कम इन पी एंड एल अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. इज दैट क्लियर? ड्राइंग्स 8,000, उसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट. सिमिलरली रहीम का ड्राइंग्स कितना है? 10,000. उसका इंटरेस्ट बोलो अभी. 10,000 बोलो. 10,000 इंटू 6% इंटू 6 डिवाइड बाय 12. कितना है? 300. नाउ 300 विल कम हियर. करंट अकाउंट में 300 इधर आया था ना. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಲೋ, क्रेडिट साइड टोटल करो. 30,000 प्लस 240 प्लस 300 टोटल करो. 30,000. ना 30,540 में से ये निकालो. 30,540 माइनस 4,800 माइनस 3,000 माइनस 1,800. कितना बचा? कितना बचा? 20,000. करेक्ट है. 20,940. नाउ दिस 20,940 is to be distributed equally. Profits are distributed equally. Divide by 2 करा. 10,470. ए को, राम को, रहीम को 10,000. This will come where? Current account, credit side. Current account credit side आया क्या? देखो आया. 10,470. 10,470. बाद में कैपिटल अकाउंट को भी बैलेंस करो. कैपिटल अकाउंट विल रिमेन व्हाट? 50. हियर इट विल रिमेन 30 बिकॉज दैट इज अ कोर कैपिटल. कोर कैपिटल इज नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड, बट करंट अकाउंट चेंजेस होता है. राम का बैलेंस कितना आता है? 5230. और इसका कितना आता है? 6770. if you balance it. Any difficulty? All of you understood? This sum you have to do it today only. I am going to just explain today. Is that clear? Please don't leave them till they finish off all these sums. Question number 8. Question number 8. Come on guys, सिटिंग कैपेसिटी रहना चाहिए. जितना ज़्यादा बैठोगे उतना बेहतर है आपके लिए, स्टडीज के लिए. अभी आ जाओ. गारंटीड प्रॉफिट्स. ए बी आर पार्टनर्स इन अ फर्म शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉस इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2. They admit C for 1/6 share in the profits and guarantee that his share of profits will not be less than 250 lakhs. ये 5 zeros छोड़ दो. We'll put it as 250 lakhs. समझ? 250 lakhs. 5 zeros. 5 zeros means lakhs. Means C को बोल रहे मिनिमम तुमको कितना मिलेगा? 250 मिलेगा. Now total profits for the year is 900 lakhs. 5 zeros छोड़ दो. 900 lakhs. So 900 lakhs is the total profit. Calculate the share of the profits of each partner. Case 1, when guarantee is given by the firm. Guarantee is given by only A and guarantee is given by A and B equally. Now take your calculators. I'll tell you, take your calculators. Okay. Now what do you mean by guarantee is given by firm? Guarantee is given by firm means in their profit sharing ratio. What ratio? Now who is a new partner? Who is a new partner? C को तो 1/6 मिलना ही चाहिए. And what about A and B? 3:2. Their ratio is 3:2. Now please answer. 900. ये देखो मेरा कैलकुलेशन. 900 A B C. क्लियर है? सी को कितना जाना चाहिए? 1/6 ऑफ 900 करो, 900 इंटू 1/6 डिवाइड बाई 6 1 ओ हो 150 हो 150. हाँ, tell me, useless fellows, tell me what should I do now? If you are C, will you be happy with only 150 or you want 250? So आपका shortfall कितना है? Shortfall कितना है? 100. So plus 100. ये plus 100 कौन देगा? A and? एक मिनट ठहरो, कैसा करने का मैं बोलता हूँ. ये देखो, हेलो, have a look at this first. Okay, look at the calculation here. I'll put the calculation here. देखो इधर, all are rupees in lakhs, so 5 zeros I am cancelling. 900 lakhs. First will take A, B and C. A को कितना है, B को कितना है, C को. First C का दे दो. C का कितना है? 900 into 1/6 which is how much? 150 दे दो. तो 150 निकालने के बाद बचा कितना है? 900 minus 150 बचा कितना है? Now this 750, right now give it to A and B in the ratio of 3:2. बोलो, इसको 450, इसको 300. तो ऐसा होगा इनिशियली. So 450, 300, 150, total is 900. आंसर. बट शॉर्टफॉल किसका है? सो इधर इसको प्लस 100 आएगा, मगर दिस 100 is to be borne by whom? In which ratio? First one क्या दिया है? Guarantee given by firm. बताओ. Guarantee given by firm. This 100 loss माइनस आएगा ना, A को माइनस आएगा, B को माइनस आएगा. In which ratio? हाँ, तो 100 in the ratio of 3:2. 60 इधर माइनस होगा, इसको माइनस कितना होगा? 40 माइनस होगा. सो इसका नया कितना है अभी? 390 नया आया, इसका 260 और इसका नया 250. अभी वही आंसर इधर दिया है, देखो 390, 260, 250 आया. अरे डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कैलकुलेशन और नो? व्हाट डिड आई डू, यू टेल मी फर्स्ट. 900 लिया, 900 में से फर्स्ट ए और बी को दिया क्या सी को दिया फर्स्ट? क्योंकि सी मिनिमम 1/6 उसका शेयर 1/6 है. सो 1/6 ऑफ 900 कितना आया? 1/6 ऑफ 900 इज 150. सो 900 में से 150 निकालो, 750. देन दैट 750 आई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग ए एंड बी. ये देखो, ये 750 इंटू 3/5, इधर 750 इंटू 2/5. इसको मिला 450, इसको मिला 300. बट क्या करोगे? हाँ, 450, 300, 150 हो गया सर. नहीं 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 नहीं, मिनिमम सी को कितना मिलना चाहिए? 250. सो सी को शॉर्टफॉल कितना है? 100. सो 100 इसको प्लस करो, और ये 100 विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन ए एंड बी in as per case number 1. Case number 1, guarantee given by firm. Firm guarantee means profit sharing ratio, they'll share the losses. So deficiency 100 is to be borne by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. That is 60 and 40. If you want, you can take down this part. Understood? This is case 1. Case 2 में क्या दिया देखो? Guarantee given by A. आता इकडं same येणार. Same calculation. Only thing, this 100 who will bear? Entire will be borne by what? A. So इधर 100 इधर प्लस होगा, इधर 40 माइनस नहीं होगा, इधर माइनस डायरेक्टली क्या होगा? 100. सो माइनस 100 हो गया तो कितना आएगा? 13, 3, इधर 350 आएगा, इधर 300 आएगा, इधर 250. देखो 350, 300, 250 आया कि नहीं? दिस इज केस 2 because clearly they have given guarantee by only A. Last one क्या दिया है? Guarantee given by A and B equally. तब क्या होगा? 100 इधर आएगा प्लस, ये दिस 100 इधर 50 कम होगा, इधर 50 कम होगा, इधर कितना आएगा? 400, इधर 250, इधर 250. That is case 3. 400, 250, 250. Understood? Can you do this? But you have to prepare P&L appropriation. And appropriation में कैसा दिया है देखो. You can show this calculation also in your this thing. ऐसा ही दिखाओ, अच्छा होगा. Working note दिखाओ, पहला P&L appropriation, उसके नीचे working note. पहला working note करो, then prepare what? P&L appropriation. Case 1. Then case 2. P&L appropriation format दे लो, working note करो, P&L appropriation. Understood? Keep on doing this. This is question number 8. 7 I have done, 8 I have done. 9. 9 है? नहीं है. अरे 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 बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया तो. 7 ही नहीं है. 6 के बाद सीधा 8. 7. Oh, 7 with the help of the information of illustration 6 prepare capital and current account. Oh, here they have only P&L appropriation account. Here they have again current account also. Okay. Done है? Oh, आ जाओ. टाइम है. टेस्ट योर नॉलेज. टेस्ट योर नॉलेज करेंगे. ट्रू और फॉल्स करेंगे. ट्रू और फॉल्स से खत्म होगा. हाँ चलो. यस गाइस टेल मी. ट्रू और फॉल्स. यू हैव टू आंसर दिस फर्स्ट. हॅलो. अगं 1 तास इकडं बघा की सरकडं. इकडं तिकडं बघायचं नाही का. इकडं बघायचं. 100% concentration here. First one. In the absence of any agreement. आणि बघ बोलायचं नाही. In the absence of any agreement, partners share profits of the business in the ratio of their capital contribution. Why? If the partnership deed is silent, partnership act says ratio is equal. So this is false. First one हो गया. Second, profit sharing ratio and capital contribution ratio need not be the same. True. Every partnership firm must register itself with registrar of firms. False. This is theory hai, which we'll do in law also. Registration of partnership firm is not compulsory. Fourth, partner can advance loan to a partnership firm in addition to the capital contribution by him. True, he can give a loan. And on that loan, compulsory 6% interest, even if the partnership deed is. But anyway, that you need not write. Fifth, a partner can demand interest on capital even if it is not provided in the partnership deed. False. Sixth, if a partner does not take part in day-to-day business activities of the firm, then he will not be entitled to any share of profits. False. He will not be entitled to salary because he is a non-working partner. But he will be entitled to what? Share of profits. Seventh, interest should be at 6% per annum on partner's loan even if it is not provided in the partnership deed. True. Husband and wife cannot be partners in the same firm. False. They can be partners. Ninth, one senior partner is principal and other partners are agents. False. All are principals, all are agents. That is mutual agency. Are understood? Then partners are agents of the firms and each other. True. Their partners are agents of the firm as well as what? Each other. Correct. Any difficulty? Hello. Multiple choice question. ये भी करेंगे. कल रखेंगे क्यों? कल will only keep that practical questions. If a firm कैपेसिटी रहना चाहिए थोड़ा बैठने का. If a firm prefers partner's capital account to be shown at the amount introduced by the partners as capital in the firm, then entries of salary, interest on drawings, interest on capital and drawings and profits are made in which account? Means what they are saying is if the firm prefers partner's capital account to be shown at the amount introduced by the firm, means they want fixed capital method. What method? Fixed capital. समझ में आ रहा है? All these adjustments where they will be made? Partner's current account. Next, in the absence of an agreement, partners are liable to receive interest on loans at the rate of, and that too simple interest and not compound interest. They have not given here, but that is how it is. Then the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all is known as partnership. Then, not joint venture or association of persons. Firm has earned exceptionally high profits from a contract which will not be renewed. In such a case, the profits in this contract will not be included. ये जाने दो. ये question mark because I have not yet taught you all goodwill. Is that clear? ये goodwill का point है. Next. ये जाने दो. In the absence of an agreement, partners are entitled to. Tell me. In the absence of agreement means nothing is mentioned in the agreement. Will they get commission? No. Will they get salary? No. Will they get interest on loan? They will get interest on loan even if the partnership deed is silent. Then partners are supposed to pay interest on drawings only when dash by the dash. Provided by the agreement or agreed by partners. It is provided in the agreement. बगा आंसर क्या है? बोथ दिया है क्या? ये ओनली ये दिया है. Both. Agreed means even if they agree should be in writing. Partnership deed में. Is that clear? So both they have given A and B. Provided in the agreement or agreed by the partners. If it is agreed, it has to be written. That is very very important. 6A दिया है पक्का. Check मैंने. 6C दिया है. Correct है. Both. C. So not A. आ जाओ. Next 7th. हाँ. When a partner is given a guarantee by other partners, loss of such guarantee will be borne by partners who gave the guarantee, all the other partners and partnership firm. क्यों ये? Partner was given who has given guarantee, he will have to give, na? Everyone will not take that responsibility. Is that clear? But if everyone takes the responsibility, then all the people will take the responsibility. A is the answer, just check. Correct hai? हाँ. Next. Now 8, 9 and 10, 11. Okay, minimum guarantee. चलो. आ जाओ. Hear it. A, B and C, capital 50, 40, 30 respectively for carrying on business in the partnership firm. The firm reported a profit for the year 80,000. As per the provisions of the Indian Partnership Act, find out the share of each partner in the above amount. After taking into account, no interest has been provided on an advance of rupees how much? 20,000 in addition to his capital contribution. Now, who has contributed? Loan 20,000. But nothing is mentioned in the partnership deed. But still you should give 6% interest. Profits कितना है बोलो? 80,000. Profits are 80,000. So 80,000 में से पहला interest on loan निकालो. कितना है? अरे interest on loan कितना है? Advance is how much? 20. 20,000 के ऊपर 6% कितना हो गया? 1200 है? निकालो कितना है? 78,800. Now 78,800 divided by 3 कितना है? So A को कितना है? 2,627 प्लस इंटरेस्ट क्या है ना उसको 1,200 इंटरेस्ट भी देना पड़ेगा ना उसको. अरे इंटरेस्ट निकाल के बाद में इंटरेस्ट ऐड करना है ना. डिड नॉट गेट. फर्स्ट 80,000 में से 1,200 किसको जाएगा? ए को जाएगा ना. बाद में 78,800 ए बी सी इक्वली जाएगा ना. सो कितना हो गया इधर? प्लस 1,200 कितना आ गया? ए को 27,466. बी को कितना आएगा? बी को 26,267 और सी को 26,267. बोलो आंसर कितना आएगा? ये है. हाँ देखो इधर 26,267 फॉर पार्टनर बी एंड सी एंड 24,466 फॉर पार्टनर ए. ए इज आंसर. समझ ला? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? अरे से यस और नो. थर्ड वन No, ninth one. X, Y, Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of the profits for the year, there was a dispute between the partners. Profits before interest on capital was, I repeat, profit before interest on capital was how much? 6,000. And X wanted an interest at the rate of 20% on his capital contribution of 1 lakh as compared to that of Y and Z, whose capital was 75,000 and 50,000 respectively. Now tell me, dispute arises. Now tell me, profits of 6,000 will be distributed equally with no interest. Is the answer yes or no? Why? Because nothing is mentioned in the partnership deed. So when nothing is mentioned in the partnership deed, partners will not get any interest on capital. So A is the answer. Next, 11th, X, Y, Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of the profits for the year, there was a dispute between the partners. Profits before interest on partners' capital is how much? 6,000. And Y determined interest at the rate of 24% on his loan of how much? 80,000. There was no agreement on this point. He will not get 24%. He'll get how much? 6%. लोन के ऊपर 6% डालना ही है. So अभी कितना आया था देखो, 80,000 into 6%. So 6,000 में से 4,800 निकाल दो, बचा कितना? 1,200. So 1,200 between X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z इक्वली ना. So डिवाइड बाय 3 करो, कितना आता है? 4 डिवाइड बाय 400 X को, 400 Y को, 400 Z को. बट 4,800 किसको मिलेगा? Y को. Y को 4,800 ऐड करो इधर. So 5,000. So 400, 5,200 and 400 इधर है. 400, 5,200 and बराबर है. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट. Next, tell me. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of profits for the year, there was a dispute between the partners. Profit before interest on partners' capital is 6,000 and Z demanded a minimum profit of how much? 5,000 as his financial position was not good. However, there was no written agreement. Profits to be distributed between X and Z and Y will be equal. So guarantee of profit nahi hai idhar. Is that clear? No agreement is made means equally 2,000 each. Clear? Answer देखते रहो, बराबर है. Next, हो गया. Write a short note. This will see. Fluctuating and fixed capital you can write. LLP का बाद में देखेंगे, law में देखेंगे. That is a theory question. Then you have practical question number 1. कितने? 2, 3. These 3 questions I'll solve what? Tomorrow at 10. Right now you have the duty to solve question number 6, 7 and 8. It is your duty. Till that, please don't leave the class. Is that clear?